Let's quickly see how to use Zoho Assist, your one-stop tool for seamless remote support. First, open your browser and type zoho.com/assist. Once the page opens, enter your email ID and password. Then provide your phone number and click Start My Free Trial. You'll receive an OTP on your phone. Enter the code to verify your account. Once the verification is complete, you're all set and ready to use Zoho Assist. Open your browser and go to zoho.com/assist. Once the page opens, click on Access Zoho Assist, and you'll reach your main dashboard. This is your Zoho Assist workspace, where all the key tools are organized. At the top, you'll find 5 main tabs: Remote Support, Unattended Access, Meetings, AR Assistance, and Reports. Use Remote Support to start or schedule live sessions. You can view and control your customer's screen securely. Unattended Access lets you manage and troubleshoot devices anytime, even when no one's around. With the Meetings tab, you can host online sessions, share your screen, and collaborate easily. AR Assistance helps you guide customers in real time using augmented reality. Simply point and highlight instructions on their screen. Finally, the Reports tab gives you complete insights into your sessions and performance. That's it. With Zoho Assist, you can manage remote support, meetings, and reports, all from one secure dashboard. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.